This is NEWTRY's newest fertilizer injector. We ran the old model on our tomato trellis all summer long, and it worked great for us. I would also hook a water hose up to it anytime that I wanted to feed my plants in the raised beds. We had one of the biggest tomato and pepper harvests we've ever had this year, and I do give a lot of that credit to the injector, just simply because I was able to go out there and conveniently feed the plants anytime that I needed to. With 24 foot by 16 raised beds, that's just an impossible task to do without something like this. So the injector is powered by the flow of water, and it pulls the solution up out of this barrel. This is a 30-gallon barrel. I'm just using regular Blue Miracle Grow. I put one large packet in here and gave it a stir with my stick that I have hanging right here. I'm gonna run this on the high setting, 4.0, and that's because I don't want to use this every time that I irrigate. I typically only use this right at the beginning when I transplant my plants, just to give them a quick jolt. My soil was amended heavily with chicken litter, so I have plenty of nutrients in the ground. But then after I get them going with this unit, I will feed them about once a week just to give them that quick water-soluble fertilizer. It just gives them that quick jump right off the go. The plants don't really have to hunt for it. It's just right there and it's available to them instantly. I have a check valve on here, and that prevents any backflow from getting back and feeding back into my line and possibly penetrating and getting back into my house. So if you can see the way it's plumbed up, my water hose comes in down here. That's my inlet. And like I said, this here runs over to my hose reel. It goes around to the injector. I have that check valve there, and then going down into my fertilizer, I just drilled a hole in the lid of the barrel. That way the hose can fit in here tight, but it seals off pretty good, so hopefully no water will be able to run down the hose and get in there and just dilute my fertilizer over time. And I actually threw a 4-inch concrete block in the bottom of this barrel. That way when it's empty, I don't have to worry about the wind blowing it away. The injector's just mounted up here on this bracket, so when wintertime comes, I can pop it right off there and unscrew that one screw, and that way I can take the entire assembly off and take it in my shop. I don't have to worry about it freezing. When I want to feed the plants, I'll turn these two valves on and shut this off, and that forces everything to run through the injector. My water inlet is here, and then if I don't want to feed the plants, I can shut these two off and open this up, and that will actually bypass the injector.